So as you can see right now, my Roblox cursor is the default one set by Roblox, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change it to whatever you want. Like you can make your own cursor with this as well, or you can use my cursors which I have linked in the description. Alright, let's start. Okay, so first you have to download this Roblox player. Of course you would have this downloaded if you want to change. Right click, go to open file location and then double click on content, textures. Here you have to go to cursors and keyboard and mouse. So you can see these two are the Roblox cursors. Now if you want a custom cursor, I have linked the red and blue version down below, or you can make your own cursor. So first download this cursor I have linked below, copy and then paste it twice here. If you can't paste it twice, rename this as whatever you want and paste. So now how to change your cursor, you have to right click on this, click rename, copy and name this whatever you want. Now go to this cursor and paste the name. Same with this one, rename, copy this, put whatever you want and put this as your this. So now this will change your Roblox cursor to this. I'll show you a clip of how this looks. So as I told you, this won't change your gun crosshair, but it would actually help because in murder you can aim better. As you saw that this changed my shift lock to this as well and normal cursor. But if I want a different shift lock or I want to change my shift lock to something else, you can go to content, same thing, textures, but don't click on cursors. You see this mouse locked cursor which assembles the shift lock sign. So you have to rename this to whatever you want, just the same thing. But I have linked these cyan and red versions of shift lock in the description below. So if you want, you can copy that. And now we rename this, copy, put random shove, shift lock, paste. So now your shift lock icon would be this instead of this, which would honestly look more cooler, and as cyan is more bright than white in my opinion, it would make your aiming better as well. The downside of this is that every time Roblox updates you would have to change your cursors, which is kinda bad, but it just takes like 5 minutes, so why not. So now I'll show you 3 to 4 clips with this custom shift lock and cursor. If you like it, you can put it, or you could put the red one, or if you don't like it, you can make your own and put it maybe. Yep.